Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got issue 73 of Eagle Moss's Build Your Own Back to the Future Delorean. Okay, so issue 73, we're taking everything that we've assembled for the door and we're going to put that inside the door frame. Let me show you what we're doing. So as you can see, we get this big bulky part here, and this is the passenger side door. So let me move that to the side. So basically all we're going to be doing in this one is taking that, just like that. We're going to be adding the actual door lock on, the side trim, just there. Then we're going to be putting these hinge parts on here, installing the window that we didn't use in the last issue, and then making up the actual wing mirror. Then we're going to attach the wing mirror and then start attaching the actual part of the door that we made in the last issue, and then the door trim, the inner door trim goes on just there. So that by the end of this issue we should basically have the completed door, just awaiting the actual roof panel part that comes in the next issue. And there you go, just to confirm, in the next issue we get the actual roof part of the door just there, and the actual mechanical arm part is there as well, the hydraulic arm. That comes in the next issue as well. Okay, so yeah, really excited to get the second door all built and ready to go on in the next issue. So without further ado, let's get these parts open and start building. Okay, so we're going to take this part of the door. Lovely bit of frame. Really like the stainless steel part. So we're going to take this part, we're going to add the door lock and the door trim. So the actual door lock does only go on one way. Let's get that in. It's like a D-shaped cutout for that, so you can only really put it in one way. Drop that into there. When we turn that over, we're going to need an AP screw in the back of there. So let's get our AP screw. It's just going just into this hole here. And there we are. That's our door lock on. And the actual trim part, which is this part here. Make sure you do have a door handle indentation on there. That goes the actual side with the door handle. So make sure we get that the right way around. And when we turn this over, we're going to need 4 GAP screws in this hole here, 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 and here. So let's start getting these in. These JP screws do have a little flange on them. So let's do the first one. Start putting the rest of them on. I know some of you are probably screaming at the TV that I haven't got a cloth down, a microfiber cloth or anything to protect from scratching, but I am being very, very careful. As you can see, last screw now. Get this one in here. Screw that one down. And there you are. We have a door lock and trim all installed. Okay, so next we're going to need our little hinge pass. They're these two little black parts here. They're just going to locate over the top, just like that. And we're going to secure these onto the top of there with AM screws. So I'm going to put the first one on first. Get ourselves an AM screw. Secure this one on. There we are, that's that one on. And let's do the opposite side now. I haven't had a problem with the other door yet, with the door hinges. A lot of people had problems with the screws snapping when they opened the door or closed the door. I haven't had that problem yet. I've had the driver's side door on for quite a while, but yeah, I've been careful with it, so I haven't broke any of them yet. But yeah, there we go. There's these two hinges on now. So next, let's take the window, install that. That's just going onto here. And then 2 screws, which are going to be NM screws, into this hole and this hole. Right, let's get these 2 in. And the last screw in this side here. There we are. So now we need to move on, make up the wing mirror that just goes on there. So we're going to take the two pieces of the wing mirror and we're going to plug them together just like so, and then our screw point is at the bottom there, so we can screw that in with a JP screw. So screw that down, and there we are. We've got our functioning wing mirror just like so. So now you can add the actual mirror part into there, just a bit of sticky tape, peel that off and stick that down. So now let's get this attached to the actual door itself. So this is just going to plug onto there, and then an AP screw on the opposite side to secure that down. Let's get this in now. So holding that on there. You be careful with your wing mirrors when you've actually got the door on the car, because they will break off if you turn the car onto it, because there's so much weight in the car. There we are, just like so. I'm just going to turn my wing mirror in just for now, just so I don't knock that off. Right, so now we need to take the interior of the door. We're just going to put this onto here. Make sure this cable comes down here. Now we can lower this down onto the actual part itself, making sure that window don't come out. That's that on there. That's on there. So now we're going to need, to secure this on, we're going to need DM screws in 4 points. Here, 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 and here. Right, let's get these DM screws in. I'm just going to go just here to start off with. First one. Being careful when you lay it down between your screws. Keep this going. 2 more to go. Let's get this one in. There we are. Final one, just in this hole here. Let's get that one in. And there we are. So the final step to do is take this inner part of trim, and this is just going to go onto here. Let's get this lined up. There it goes on there, just like so. Nice looser fit than the last one. The last one I probably didn't even need to put the AP screw in to keep it in. But yeah, so let's get an AP screw in here. This is going to secure this one on. And with that, there you go. That is the passenger side door all complete. So as I said, coming up next time, we're just putting the roof and everything on this one and getting it actually attached to the DeLorean itself. So there you go, guys. That's issue 73 all complete. Really happy to get the door all complete. Seems a lot smoother than the driver's door. The driver's door is a bit stiff in places and didn't seem to go together as well as that one. That one went together really well. Parts fitted a lot better. But yeah, so that's ready to go on the DeLorean. So next issue, which will be out probably next week now, we'll actually fit that to the car itself. So if you like this video, guys, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.